You've probably been told to give away a freebie to grow your email list. But here's the quiet part nobody explains. A lead magnet is not a free gift. It's the first step toward trust between you and a stranger. And if you get that one idea wrong, nothing that comes after it works. So, in the next few minutes, I'll explain what a lead magnet really is, why most of them flop, and how to make a simple one that people actually want, even if you're starting from scratch. No jargon. No hype. Maybe this is you. Everyone says, offer a freebie. But you're sitting there thinking, give away what? For free? Why would anyone even want something from me? If that's you, you don't owe anyone an explanation. Least of all me. When I started, I made things I thought were impressive, long, complicated, and nobody wanted them. I thought because it was free, it didn't really matter. I was wrong. It mattered more, not less. That wasn't a personal failure. I just didn't understand what a lead magnet was actually for. Let's clear the noise first, then begin. What is a lead magnet? It's simply a small, helpful thing you give someone in exchange for their email. A short guide, a checklist, a simple answer to one question they're stuck on. That's it. A fair trade, something useful for permission to stay in touch. And here's the part you need before it costs you. You don't need to be an expert to make one. You just need to solve one small problem for one person. That's all a lead magnet is. Now here's where almost everyone gets it wrong. They try to give away everything. A giant guide, 100 pages. They think bigger means better. But a stranger doesn't want a giant thing from someone they just met. It's overwhelming. It doesn't get used. And an unused freebie builds zero trust. The best lead magnet solves one clear problem, quickly, so the person gets a small win right away. That small win is the trust. See what's really happening. You're not giving away value for nothing. You're laying the first plank in a bridge. One small win, and the stranger thinks, that helped. Maybe I'll listen to what else this person says. So, how do you actually make one? Simple is the point. First, pick one small problem your person is stuck on. Just one. Second, solve it clearly and quickly. A short guide, a checklist, one simple answer. Third, make it easy to use in a few minutes so they get a fast win. One problem, one clear solution, one quick win. Most beginners try to give away everything and end up giving away nothing useful. That's not a personal failure, that's a math failure. They aimed at all problems instead of one. If this helped you see what a lead magnet is really for, there's a free video blueprint that walks through the whole path in plain English. And honestly, it's an example of a lead magnet done right. It solves one clear problem. Understanding the simple map before you spend $1. When you're ready, there's a way through. It's waiting. Link is in the description. So, let's walk it back a step. A lead magnet is a small, helpful thing you offer in exchange for someone's email. It works when it solves one clear problem and gives a fast win. And you make it with 3 pieces. One problem, one clear solution, one quick win. Now, for this, I've made a video all about where that lead magnet actually lives. The simple one-page site whose only job is to hand it out. It's called a landing page. It's over here if you want to learn more, and it's simpler than it sounds. I'll see you in there.